Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Spider-Man Remastered is having not saving error on a PC, or it is having directory creation failed error, and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into. We have already uploaded many videos on our channel. You can watch this, and also you can refer our website Get Show Tips for same information. So so what I'll do is we're going to talk about the fix. So the first one, you just have to follow the instruction. So that the first step is, and the first and the foremost is, you have to save the game before you're quitting. So if you're on the Steam and you're trying to play the game and you wanted to quit, so when you're trying to quit, you just have to save the game. That is very important, or else you'll be having the trouble. So I'm not having the game because of some issue with my card, because I don't know what's happening. When I'm trying to purchase, I'm not able to purchase it. It said it's declined. It's not about the balance, but it's some issue. I think the MasterCards are not working right now for international purchases. We have to update it to Visa or Platinum. So here I'm having the issue, so I couldn't purchase the game. So the first and foremost step is you just have to save the game before you are quitting the game. That is what you have to do. And moving to the next one is all about, you have to allow the game file to your antivirus and Windows security. So if you're having any kind of antivirus, then you just have to add this. So it's just very simple process. So I'll do here. So you just have to go over here in the search, and you have to search for control panel. Now from here, as you can see, on Windows 11 you'll be having an option called Windows Defender Firewall. Just click on this one. Now from here, you'll be getting an option over here at the top left, that is allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Just click on this one. Now from here, these are added, so you'll be having an option called allow another app. So you just have to click on this one. Now you'll be getting an option to browse, so just click on browse, and now you are able to browse. So here, this is where the game is installed on Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Forza Horizon 5. So as I said earlier, I'm not having the game. That's why I'm having Forza Horizon 5 here. Or else you can just go back and you can navigate where the game is installed, and you just have to open the respective folder. You have to open the .exe from here. Once it is done, you just have to go for add, and you just have to go for OK. And this is done. So once after this is done, most probably when you're trying to play the game, the issue will be completely fixed. Even after trying this, if it's still not working, we have two more parallel solutions. And one among them is, you just have to close your OneDrive if you are signed in. For example, as you can see here, this is my OneDrive, but you are not signed in, because I made sign out, because not for the Spider-Man Remastered, but even for sometimes in Forza Horizon 5, this error happens. So I always make sure that I'm signed out of OneDrive, and I only sign in whenever it is required. So this is very important. This step is very important. And also parallelly, make sure that your name on your PC, for example, what I meant is that our name on the PC should be not having any kind of characters. As you can see, this is my name. Okay, so here if I go to your info, this is my name, Sahal PS. Okay, I'm not having any characters. This is just some letters. So make sure that do not use any special characters in your Windows username, and create a new user account if you are having any special character. I don't know why this is working when this change has been made. I have seen this this particular method and this instruction in Reddit as well as on Quora, and for many people and many users this worked. I don't know what's magic is happening, but when they're having characters, it's not working. But when they change into another one, create a username with not characters, without characters, it worked for them. So these are the basic things which you have to try out when you're having not saving error on your PC, and you're having the directory creation failed error on Spider-Man Remastered from Marvels. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.